Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permission to use the audio. That prevents future takedowns. Once done, pick a reliable download method, browser extension for speed, app or command line for control. Make sure to choose your output format, MP3 if you need small files and broad compatibility, WAV if you plan to edit without quality loss. While downloading, note bitrate and sample rate so your later edits match. This avoids unnecessary conversions and preserves clarity. Once your file is in the editor, focus on cleaning and consistency. Trim the ends and remove breaths or noise with a noise gate or spectral repair. Why? Because cleaner audio reads better on all devices. Then match sample rate and bit depth to your project 44. 1 kHz for music, 48 kHz for video, so there are no sync issues. Apply EQ to remove muddiness, normalize to -1 dB, and use subtle compression for steady levels. These steps make your audio professional. You finish by exporting with settings that match your use case. MP3 at 192/320 kbps for streaming or WAV 16-bit/24-bit for archival quality. Make sure to embed metadata, title, artist, license, so reuse is clear. Then test the file on phone, laptop, and TV to confirm volume and sync. If playback is off, recheck sample rate and codec. Tip: if audio sounds distorted after export, reduce master gain by 3 to 6 decibels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.